If you're used to waiting for pages to load on a standard mobile connection, this setup is designed to create a massive surge in speed. We are going to configure a VPN to route your data connection through a high-bandwidth server. The process takes about 1 minute to configure, and once it is running, it allows for high-speed access without a dedicated data balance. To follow along, you need an Android phone and an application called UDP Custom, which is available on the Google Play Store. Before opening the app, ensure you have updated to the newest version. Older versions frequently suffer from compatibility issues that cause the connection to fail. By mirroring these specific configuration steps, the app can tunnel through standard carrier gates to access the internet. This is the default home screen you will see the first time you launch UDP Custom. Your first step is to locate and tap the option labeled Clear or Reset Config before adjusting any other settings. This reset clears any leftover parameters from previous VPN attempts. These hidden settings are a primary reason why new configurations fail to establish a link. Now that the app is reset, look at the Network Protocol Settings area, located on your main dashboard. Inside this section, check the box labeled UDP Custom to activate the protocol. Starting with a sanitized configuration ensures that the server details we enter next will function without interference from background data. The connection is powered by a specific server address that handles the data requests for your device. These types of high-speed servers usually require a paid subscription, but I am providing this specific address for you to use today. Prepare your device to capture the exact text of the address. Take a screenshot of this address now. It is much more reliable than trying to type out the long string of characters manually. You must enter every character exactly as it appears. A single typo in this address will prevent the VPN from establishing a connection. Once the address is entered, tap Connect. If any pop-up ads appear, simply dismiss them to continue the process. While the system initializes, you can watch the application's connection log to see the handshake between your phone and the server. You have a successful link when the word Connected appears at the bottom of the log, and a small VPN key icon shows up in your status bar. To save this setup for future use, you can package these settings into a shareable file with a .hac extension. Open the Save Config menu and assign a file name to your profile in this field. Before saving, check the lockbox. This hides the server address so it cannot be viewed or copied by others. Locking the file protects the specific server details you've entered while still allowing you to share the working configuration with your personal contacts. Your device is now fully configured to use the VPN for high-speed data access. To find the file you created, go to your phone's Downloads folder and look for the name you assigned with the .hac extension. When a friend receives this file, they only need to use the Open Configuration button in their app to import your locked settings. You can send this file to anyone you know who needs a more reliable way to stay connected without a high data cost. If you have trouble getting the connection to stay active, you can reach out to the handle Hacker256 on Telegram for direct troubleshooting. Using these settings allows you to maintain a high-speed connection and share that access with those around you.